Okay, so we have put already the code that we need to start the process. So we create a new audio context instance, the 3 oscillators, and
the frequency of each note.
Yes, each note of the chord we changed.
Mm-hmm.
And now we are going to connect all of the oscillators into the same gain node. So we need to create the gain node. So the way we create it is we will create a new variable. We will call it a gain node.
Gain node.
Yes, and this we will get from our A context.
A context.
Dot create gain.
Create gain like this.
Yes. No, with the yes, exactly like this. And the parentheses and semicolon. So just like we have the create oscillator, we have a create gain. And
So
this
is like an oscillator.
This is a node. The oscillators are also nodes. Okay.
Before the oscillators, there are nodes. The basic form is nodes.
Yes, it is an oscillator node.
Okay.
So now we have a gain node, and we will connect every oscillator as we saw in the picture. We will connect it into the same gain node, and then we will connect the gain node to the audio context destination.
So we connect it the same way we connected to the destination.
Yes.
We connect to the gain node.
Yes. So for every oscillator, we will take its name. Yes, and dot
after the okay.
Yes. And now connect. And this is a method, so open and close the parentheses. Yes. And here we will write audio A context. I will copy it. And this will be dot destination.
The capital T? No.
No, like this, look.
T. Nation. I know how to write it. Okay.
And a semicolon. So now we will do this same line for the 3 oscillators. And another one. Yes, and this will be oscillator 2 and oscillator 3.
Okay.
So all of them are now connected to the wrong place. They are supposed to be connected to the gain node.
Yes, my mistake. All right.
So just a second, let's copy this one more time, because what we need to connect to the audio context destination is the gain node.
Yes, okay.
As the gain node, we will connect to the audio context destination, and every one of the oscillators will be connected
to the gain node.
So let's copy this and we will paste it over here.
Like this.
No.
Like this?
No, just the gain node.
Just the gain node.
Yes, like this.
Okay.
And
why not a context?
Because the gain node is not a property of the audio context.
So what property is it? I mean,
we created it here. It's a variable. It's an instance of a gain node.
Okay.
So we can connect to this gain node, and then this gain node can connect to the audio context destination. Just as we saw in our drawing, I will
but we could
draw
also,
it again.
We could also put a context dot destination in a variable if we wanted.
Just a second. What we want to do is connect all of the oscillators into a gain node. This is the gain node, and this is going to be connected to our destination. Okay? So this is what we have done here. So after we connect it, the thing we need to do is to start all the oscillators. And before we want to start them, let's change the gain node's gain value. It has a value just like frequency, yes? So what we need to do is gain node dot gain, yes, dot set value at time. I will copy it from here so you don't need to write it. And we will change it to half of the volume. Okay? Instead of the gain node being at full volume, we will change it just to half of the volume.
But won't it still be distorted because we have 3 oscillators?
We will test.
Okay.
Let's test and we will check and we will know. So in this way, we set the volume of the gain node.
Oh, and I see we can also time it.
We can time it in the same way.
But we don't need to.
No.
Okay.
And let's use oscillator 1, 2, and 3. Start. Okay? And let's copy this. And we'll do it to the... And... Okay, so now we are still inside all of this code. It's still, all of this is inside the script tags, inside our HTML body, inside the HTML tag, yes. And this is our OS HTML document. We are going to save it. And after we save it, we can run it like this and
refresh.
No, we don't need to refresh. Let's open our console and we'll see audio CTX is not defined. We have a problem in our script. Let's open it again and we will check what was the problem. I'm opening it now in a different program called Notepad++, and we will see what is the problem. Yes.
What is the problem?
This is the problem. We used a different word here, so let's fix everything. And we see a context is, we write
also
everything.
there.
Yes, also here. Okay.
Okay.
So let's save it and close this, and we will try once again to run our code. And we have our code. Yes. And yes, it is still with the distortion.
Yes.
Let's try changing the gain node and decreasing the volume a bit more.
Maybe 3.
Maybe 3. And save it. And let's run it again.
Oh! Beautiful.
Beautiful.
This is
major code.
Music to my ears.
Okay, so bye.